Introducing the HiBREW H10B coffee grinder, a great tool for crafting a delicious cup of coffee. Start by adding your favorite coffee beans to the HiBREW grinder. The grinder ensures a consistent grind, perfect for brewing. Once the beans are ground, transfer the coffee into the handle. Next, turn on the HiBREW H10B coffee machine and long press the power button to enter cold brew mode. Insert the handle into the machine, ensuring it's secure. Start the extraction process, allowing the machine to slowly draw out the rich flavors from the coffee grounds. As the extraction process completes, prepare your cup. Enjoy a coffee made with care, bringing the coffee experience to your home with HiBREW H10B coffee machine.